8 seed Nashville Roller Girls. Did you guys do anything differently to prepare for this tournament?
We definitely did. We upped our practice. We practiced more than we ever had, and we held each other accountable. If you weren't there and you didn't fill out our data sheet as to why you were there, we were calling and texting and making sure everyone showed up. We worked out, we dieted, we took this, this is our biggest opportunity, and we took it that way.
Awesome, you guys played fantastically, 224 to 120, doubled up on them basically. Now, this isn't your first tournament this season. You guys actually started the year with the Clover Cup. You went 3-0 with the Clover Cup, beating Tallahassee in the championship game. How did that season-opening tournament propel you through the 2013 season?
We did not expect to win. We never expect to win. In the past, when we have, it's been our worst games. So coming into that, in the middle, expecting to just stay where we are and then propelling all the way to the top, we knew what we were capable of, and so we took that momentum here. Still not expecting to win, but knowing that we have potential as long as we work as a team, and teamwork is huge for us. And so that's really, we bond, we work together, and we saw we could do it at Clover Cup, so we're going to bring all of that here.
Yeah, you spoke, Chequelin, too, of their close teamwork. Now, I noticed Oklahoma kind of goes with a kind of out-of-sync lineups on the track, use a 5-jammer rotation, and those skaters do not play in the pack. So you're asking a lot out of your pack players, but how nice is it as a jammer to be able to play every 5th jam?
It's really nice because we're all different jammers, and so we're not all going to be as effective against different teams. So it takes off the pressure of either you're good or you're not, because you know someone can cover you. And then also, I don't know if you noticed, but this was a really fast game, and so we got enough time in between to rest with that 5-jam rotation. I know that's really unique to us, but just with the rules change and all of that, this is what we found to be the most effective way to stay with enough energy throughout the whole bout.
Up next, I know you want to celebrate the victory against Nashville, but you've got the #1 team in the world for basically the last 3 years, Gotham Roller Girls, Gotham Roller Derby. Oklahoma's a very unfamiliar team to most viewers around the globe. What can they expect out of you girls against Gotham?
They can expect us to be really happy to be playing them, and we're going to stick with what works for us, which is working together as a team. That's our most important thing, and as long as we can keep doing that, I really feel like we're going to show everyone that we did come prepared, and we are ready.
Well, you definitely look prepared out there in the first game, the first upset of the weekend here in Nashville, North Carolina. This is Chequelin 2. I'm Inspector Muffin. Up next, the 7-10 game. The 7-10 game. We have Columbia going up against Houston. Stay tuned, WFTDA TV.